Okay, for the drawer slides, this part is going to be facing the inside of the cabinet, and you're gonna screw this into the cabinet, not the drawer. It is this side that pulls out, the thinner side, that you will be screwing into the drawer. Make sure you put it on the drawer side, not the drawer front or the back, and make sure that this part is pointing away from the drawer. Now, because we're putting a drawer face onto the drawer, I'm gonna clamp a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. This will act as the drawer face to make sure that this part is flush against that piece. I'll pre-drill my holes first, and I'm going to put my screws into this horizontal slot because it gives me a little bit of leeway in case I needed to adjust anything. Now I can pull this plastic lever down to remove this part of the drawer slide to drill in my last hole. Now I took an offcut of my drawer bottom and made it into 4 pieces, and they're all 1/4 inch in width. I'm putting 2 on each side as spacers for the remaining part of the drawer slide. Now you can just use one of the 1/4 inch pieces on each side to raise it up 1/4 inch. I just wanted it to be raised up 1/2 inch to give myself a little more space. Make sure when you're installing the drawer slide into the cabinet that this flat part is against the cabinet wall and it opens up like this. Because we're having a drawer face that's inset into the cabinet, I cut this little piece, which is the same size as what our drawer face is going to be. It's 3/4 inch plywood. And I'm making sure when I secure the drawer slide into the cabinet that this is inset. And I'm actually gonna make it inset 1/16 of an inch past the front of the cabinet. As you can see, when you open the slide, there's an opening right here that you can put the screw in. Now I'm gonna put 2 more screws in, one right there in the middle, and then one in the back.
All right, let's see how it fits. Oh my gosh, yeah! Woo! I'm talking about